In this video I will show you how to make your Unity WebGL game scale properly on itch.io. I will assume you already know how to upload your game to itch.io and that your game's resolution is Full HD. First, on all the canvases of your project under the Canvas Scaler component. Change the UI scale mode from constant pixel size to scale with screen size. Then set your reference resolution to 1920 by 1080 and slide the match slider to 0.5. Sadly, you may have to reorganize your UI. Next, go to File, Build Settings, Player Settings, WebGL tab, Resolution and Presentation, and change the default canvas width to 960 and the default canvas height to 540. Notice that this is half of Full HD. This is so that the game is not too large in the browser. Next, build, run and upload your project to itch.io. Now, under the embed options on the itch.io settings page, set the to drop-down option to embed page and manually set size. Also set the viewport dimensions to 960 by 590. Set it to 590 instead of 540 so the Unity WebGL logo and full screen button are visible. Do not check any of the frame options. Finally, save and view the itch.io games page. Everything should work well regarding screen scaling. Thank you for watching and have a great day.